I don't know what I'm doing. This is like our.
This video is just going to be still pictures of us. I don't know what.
I was taking pictures, not video. Who cares? This isn't our usual. See, I got a new phone camera. I don't know where I'm looking. Oh, here. It's Justin and Leon, FNK Classic Cars. Not our usual intro. This is just a shorty, a quickie, right? A quickie?
No.
A quick.
I don't know what it is.
Ah, who cares? Maybe it'll be
had microphones on
TikTok or a short video, or maybe this will go inside of a longer video where we actually say word up and how's your mom and all that. But look, here it is. This is the Nomega. That was the name that was voted on. That was picked because it was FOVA, fake Nova, or Nova Omega, which was Nomega. So, as you can see, she's a beaut. Go back and watch the other video, and then we're gonna go back here and do some taillights.
Listen.
What?
Last time they seen it,
yes,
it didn't have any grill.
No.
The bumper's laying there. I haven't put it on yet, but
right.
As you can see, I sort of, routed the. What you call it?
What do you call it?
Wire
the valance? Oh, the wire harness, yeah.
And then I put the valance, the grill,
yeah,
and put the hood latch in. So now the hood actually
look at that.
You don't need a bungee cord to hold it down.
That's
So I've been messing with it a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean,
I like it. I like it a lot.
I'm not doing a whole bunch at a time, but
okay.
I'm messing with it a little.
All right, Leon.
Now.
Leon, all right. What?
All right.
We're gonna put taillights in it. Well,
Yeah,
one's sort of in it, but we'll get the other one.
Well, listen.
What?
Before you get, I already said this. Well, no, I'm going to say it again, probably. You want to, at home, comment
yeah.
what these lights are from.
Yes.
We need the make, model,
right,
and a year.
Right.
And what trim package it is, because it's a different.
Oh boy,
trim.
We're getting real specific here.
Yeah. So.
All right. Well, let's get back there.
Wins that. We'll send them a shiny penny.
A shiny penny.
Before they stop making them. Of course.
Okay.
So we got one taillight sort of installed.
Yep.
And I'm not going to tell you what they're from.
You tell us what it's from.
Yeah, you tell us. This
video snippet will probably be included in a longer video later.
Oh, we don't have microphones.
No, it's all right.
I ain't got any ears.
I'll amplify it later. So Leon's playing with the hole here. Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, well, working on the car.
Yeah.
Possibly.
So.
Well, wait a minute.
A little bit of handiwork back here. And we're going to do the same handiwork over there.
Yeah, I had to modify the holes. These taillights came with
something.
The second old car I ever bought.
Okay. So they've been around, what, 30 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought these. I'm 48.
You're 1248.
I'm 48. I bought this car when I was 16.
Okay.
17 at the most.
Not this car.
No.
The car that those came with, or whatever.
Yeah, this car I bought by accident. My senile my senile dog did not bark, and it really screwed me up. So that's how I ended up buying this by accident. All right, so
where's the tape?
Yeah,
you gotta mark the hole.
No, you gotta mark the hole.
What? Blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. Why do I gotta do it?
Because you marked the last hole.
All right, hold on. I got a new phone, everybody, so we got maybe more
doubt
quality.
it.
All right, look. Oh, here I am. All right, let's see. Oh, my wife's calling me. Right in the middle of our video. There we go.
She's gonna want you to bring home a sack of chickens.
Sack of chicken. Sack of weed.
Sack of weed. All right, so we marked it. We'll make some holes, hi peeps.
Okay.
All right, let me see my
You
drill
gonna drill
press.
it?
My drill press.
All right, hold on. Let's get this back out of here. Whee!
Came out pretty terrible.
Oh, I think it looks great.
I like it. What's what we're going for on this one is terrible, so.
Terrible. There it is. You did it. Good job.
I did it.
I gotta do that twice more.
No, you serious? You're not serious?
All right. Great job.
Yes.
You're doing great work.
Hold on.
What happened?
I gotta get readjusted. I'm
All right.
old and bending over. This is not fun. Does not fun. Does not fun. I don't know what that even means.
You can do it.
Yeah, apparently I can't. I think I did all the other ones.
Oh. Is the bit wear out? Almost. There it is.
All right, now. Oh yeah. That
There
one
it
fits
is.
a whole lot better than the other side.
All right, let's have a look.
All right,
Nice.
let me screw that one in.
Okay. For those who have not seen the previous video, this is the Nomega. Part Omega, part Nova.
I'm just using speed nuts,
Speed nuts.
if anybody cares.
Okay. Put your nuts on it. Nomega. See? Omega. But it's Nova now, or something.
Nomega. There you go. There's the original emblem. Where'd my,
I don't know.
I had two little washers. You put washers on two of them, and then no washer on one of them, because I only had a couple washers.
Washer. Washer? A washer? Or a washer?
Machine. The love machine.
I mean, we are Baltimoreans, so it's a washer.
Yeah, well, we're not say that too though. There might be somebody that still lives in Baltimore watching us.
Yeah, it could be, maybe.
We're offending, but
Nah.
nah.
There's only like 3 people watching this video.
That's true.
It'll be alright.
Most of them are probably not even in this country. Actually, we do have some viewers.
Yeah, we got
around
people in
the country.
Australia, New Zealand, Canada watching. I mean,
Do we have anybody in Old Zealand?
old New Zealand?
No, Old Zealand. Yeah,
Old Zealand, not New Zealand. All right, no,
Yeah.
I'm not even sure where that is, but
It's right near Old Zealand. I mean, New
it's
Zealand.
next door.
Like New Mexico is right above.
Hey,
Old
let us know where you're
Mexico.
watching from, actually. You know, if you're from Florida,
Florida?
or if you're from Utah,
I'm not that tall, no.
Alabama, let us know
Slammer.
where you're coming
Alabama and a slammer. There you go.
from. Look at that.
Now let's see what that looks like. To get the full effect.
Well, you're right in the middle of it, Leon.
Hold your doors on. I'm going to move a few things.
You're gonna shut the.
Would you shut the
Oh, whatever.
hell up?
Come on. It's raining out here.
Well, I don't give a shit. Hey,
What?
you'll be fine. Sugar melts, but you're, not.
Yeah. Good
Well, I
one.
don't even know what
Good
to
one.
say.
Good one. Can I shut this thing?
Shaka. No.
Why? You got the key?
No. Hold on. Key.
Man.
The key's in the trunk.
There it is.
Screwdriver.
I didn't shut it tight in case you wanted to do the honors.
Oh, no. I want to do something.
Oh. You gonna wash it?
I'm going to wash the tail. They got 30 years of dust from sitting in the shed.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Man. Can't ask for a cleaner. Oh, dude. The moon's running now. Look.
Oh, man. The moon's got the runs.
Careful, you don't want to wipe it off.
I wanna
You don't wipe your moon.
devalue the street machine. There's 10 blind guys that have already called me about wanting to buy it.
Blind guys.
Blind guys. Not blonde, blind.
Custom quarters. If you watch the other video, you'll see it's a flapper when you shut the door. It's marvelous.
Hold on.
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to get rid of some of this crap. Would you just... Oh my Lord.
Jeez.
Some people's shoulder.
Cheese and crackers.
Cheese? I can cut the cheese. And I am a... Cheese and crackers. We don't have any cheese or crackers. If I had some Ritz, man, that would be good. I like Ritz. They're buttery and delicious.
I sure hope this has been recording the whole time.
It hasn't been?
I don't know. This is a new thing. Camera phone thing. All right, slam it. All right, there it is.
That actually looks like it belongs in there, sort of.
Yeah, beautiful. You do great work, Leon.
Plenty good enough.
I don't know what I'm doing. This is like our.
This video is just going to be still pictures of us. I don't know what.
I was taking pictures, not video. Who cares?
Anyway,
so, look.
Yeah, that's great. Now listen, I
What?
don't want to see me from up high.
Oh.
Get low. Not that low.
Oh.
Just regular.
Okay.
Like I say, good help is very hard to find. Do you have a selfie stick? Where is it?
I don't know. This was like on the fly. It's raining out. We just
Anyway.
ate some lunch.
All right, so
Somewhere.
as I mentioned earlier in the video, maybe a couple times, you know, I repeat myself a lot. Whoever is the first
First person.
which would be the one, in the comments, you're going to have to make this a long video. Because how else are they going to comment?
Okay, so this will be a
Anyway.
regular video. We already got like 10 minutes of footage.
Yeah, all right.
Good.
So this is going to be a regular video.
Okay.
First one, I already said that, to tell me make, model, year, and trim package. Make, model, year, trim package. Is 4.
You want to give an example
No,
of a car that we're not talking about?
just shut up. Sorry.
This is
I'm not
abuse.
being very nice today. Anyway, first one to do that, this gentleman right here, that guy, he's going to send you an envelope with your address on it. It's going to have a FNK keychain and a sticker.
Yes.
And they're both going to be new, not used stuff.
Right. They'll be
Not like an FNK, keychain has been riding around somebody's pocket for 38 years.
Right, this will be-
It's going to be new.
brand spanking new.
And now listen, no new keychain. No, it will be new.
Yeah, that will be new. That's right. Okay.
No new keychain.
So here it is. I'm turning this around.
There's the finished product. This is as good as it gets.
This is it. It gets
The
no
car,
better.
It's ready for the salvage.
Look,
yard.
it's actually shiny because it's raining.
It's wet, yeah. Slippery when wet.
It's okay. Hey now.
So
Anything else you want to say before we wrap this up?
Well, we need to do an Audi.
It was all right here.
Did we do an Audi?
But we could redo that.
All right, now listen. Thank you all for watching and say goodbye to your mother-in-law. I know you didn't say hi to her because we forgot that part. We just filmed this because
This is very much on the fly.
So,
Hurry, my arm's getting tired.
all right, shut up. As you haven't noticed,
I haven't.
we're not real bright to start with, and we're getting old.
That's true.
And I repeat myself, and I probably got some kind of disease, like old timers or something. CRS.
Can't remember.
Well,
Got it.
You know the last word.
Okay.
So anyway, there's the car.
There it is.
It's still a pile, but it has tail lights. Now, of course, there's no bulbs. But
Well, one thing at a
it has
time.
2 gaping holes in the tail.
Baby steps, okay?
Baby steps. And I'm going to refresh you on how wonderful this car is. As you can see, the front.
Hold the bumper up to it.
Hold the bumper up?
Yeah, let's see what that looks like.
Some kind of bumper holder?
Just let's give people a vision here.
I thought I was once supposed to be running the show.
No, that's me. Look at that,
There it is.
dude.
It's installed. Now, I'm going to have to run a couple zip ties through there to hold it, but it's installed.
There she blows.
And we only got one headlight bucket, so we got to do a little digging in some sheds to find another headlight bucket.
Yeah, we'll find it.
But there's your basic pile.
Say goodbye, Leon.
Not wait a second. Goodbye, Leon. But listen.
Oh wait, we got
I'm
more.
not done.
Apparently, there's more.
This is the beautiful motor.
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 Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway, I run the wire. I still got to do a little tucking, but. And we do have a set. Well, we don't have a full set. We got a couple of wheels that are going to be one kind and something else, but we're going to throw some wheels on it. Eventually, we're got to do something with back half of the car that's not there.
Oh, well, yeah.
Next video,
Yeah.
we'll peel the
Quarters off.
quarter skins off and we'll see what's left. Which
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure isn't anything.
Yeah, see? They're just kind of held on by a couple of screws.
There's only
Seriously,
a couple.
go back and watch the first video on this thing.
Yes.
It'll give you a lot more detail.
Yeah.
What?
I
God.
need at least 11, more
More views.
people to watch.
The first video.
first
Yeah,
video.
so if 11 of you could go back,
Just 11 people.
11 new people.
New people. that
Yeah,
haven't
if
watched
you already watched it, then you don't have to watch it
it.
again.
It doesn't count.
I don't want to torture you that bad. Anyway, all right, that's it.
And one day we'll hang some doors on it too. I got a couple doors.
Yeah, all right, that's another video. That's it. Justin and Leon, FNK Classic Cars. We'll see you on the next one.